got this package and it's from a company called iEDM. I want to unbox it for you guys. I'm actually so excited to see what it is. Okay, you guys. Oh, set this up. Oh my god, it's so sunny. Okay, so like I said earlier, this package is from iEDM. They reached out to me and I got to pick out some things. I looked through their website. I've never really looked at their website before, but I really liked a lot of their different options they had. So I picked out a few things, like sent them some options that I liked, and I told them just surprise me. So I have no idea what this is. It's heavy. I think it's like, I remember picking out like sweatshirts or sweatpants. So anyway, I'll stop talking and let me just like open this. Ooh. Okay. Bro. Whoa. So this is a set. Oh my god. Fun. Oh my god. Look at these pants. You can't see. Whoa. What a vibe. Okay, and then I have a matching sweatshirt. Oop. Oh my god. It's a large. Oh. Bro. I love this. Oh my god. It's been so long since I've had like a zip up sweatshirt. Okay, and it's soft in the inside. We love that. I want to put this on right now. I'm definitely gonna wear this to one of the festivals I'm going to in this fall. Hell yes! This is so comfy. Okay, so it's thick, but it's not like really thick. It's definitely, it will keep me warm in like when it's chillier out, like 50s or 60s, but like I can still dance and not like overheat. Does that make sense? But it definitely won't keep me warm enough if I'm going to like a Minnesota drive-in rave in 2020. Y'all, I went to, who did I go to? I went to Ganja White Night. They played in Eau Claire, Wisconsin, super random, and it ended up being 30 degrees, way too cold. I would need my winter jacket for that. Anyway, I digress, but hold on, let me put these pants on. Yo, okay, let me like move you. Oh my god. Ah! I really like it. Oh my god, no, I love it. I need to like look at myself in the mirror. Hold on. Look at this. This is so dope. Oh my god. Ignore my messy kitchen. This is not my kitchen. My messy bathroom. Okay, let's go over here now. I love this so much, you guys. Oh, but okay, they sent me something else. Let me go get it. Finn, do you like my new outfit? Okay, you just want to play with this. Okay, the other thing they sent me was this bucket hat. It has like, it's like the Odessa symbol essentially, I think. Wait, let me go get my Odessa shirt. Yeah. Okay, so here's like here's the hat and here's like my Odessa shirt. This got disgusting at EDC, not EDC, I didn't even go to EDC this year. This got disgusting at Forest. I had to like soak it in bleach for 3 days to get all the dust out. Yeah, it looks like these match. They're hexagons, right? Hexa 6, yeah. Ah! I love this little bucket hat. It's honestly, I literally have 2 bucket hats. I've been needing a new bucket hat. Yo! Oh my god! If you guys are interested in some swag from iEDM, you can use my little code to get a percentage off. I will leave that in the description below. But yeah, yo, this is gonna be perfect for all like the upcoming fall shows. I don't know, I love like outerwear like this. Ah, I'm so excited. Thank you, iEDM. Now I'm just gonna wear this the rest of the vlog. Just kidding, I need to go work out.